super heavy, so be careful.
Okay. So this is my airport outfit that I decided to wear today. We're leaving Saturday and we're gonna get there Monday.
For Southwest Airlines Flight 2132 with service to VNA, Nashville. At this time, all ticketed and confirmed passengers, please report to gate B8 for boarding.
Hey guys, so I just landed at JFK Airport. I'm gonna have some lunch and walk around to find my gate and then maybe explore a bit because I'm here for a 6 hour layover. This flight is pretty convenient. They serve 3 meals. You get a pillow, blanket, house shoes, toothbrush, and headsets to watch movies. Plus, you have K-pop idols going over emergency instructions. Okay, so story time. After I had got lunch at the restaurant in JFK, I sat there for 2 hours to digest my food and relax. I checked my app for my flight to see if the information for the gate was there, but it was not. So I decided to walk around to see if the number for my gate would appear in another hour or so. So I got a notification saying that my flight time was changed, and I was nervous because I thought I would have to travel a little longer or that I wouldn't make it in time because I'm supposed to make it there before Tuesday. But the flight only changed by a couple minutes, so I did not panic about that. An hour passed, and I checked my app for my flight gate again, and it was still not there. At this point, it was almost like 2 to 3 hours before my flight, and I thought it was strange that I would not be notified about the gate number yet. I checked the screens to see that if they contain any information on the flights, but the gate number for my flight was not there. So finally, guys, I went to find a help desk. I underestimated how big JFK Airport is, and I am the type to get person to get lost, so I did. But after walking for a bit and asking some workers, they pointed me in the right direction of the help desk. The help desk was able to help me identify my gate number, which was in a whole other terminal that I had to take a train to get to there. But I'm just glad at this point that I found where I was supposed to go and I had a gate number to go off of. I took the train to the next terminal, and then there was another section where you have to get tickets for another airline. So that's what I did. I went to the desk and they gave me my ticket, and then I went through TSA. And long story short, I got stopped by TSA because on the previous flight, they gave me a small water bottle. And I forgot that that water bottle was in my bag, so I waited like extra long just for them to take the water bottle out. And here I am, like my flight's about to leave in 10 to 15 minutes, and I rushed to the gate and I made it like 10 minutes before boarding, so I guess I got lucky, guys. But yeah, that was very stressful. So after having some breakfast, we have now landed in Seoul, South Korea at 6:45 a.m. So I'm going to head off the plane and find a way to get to campus. Okay, guys, so we finally made it after a whole weekend of traveling. We made it to the dorm. So I'm just going to show you around real quick and put my card in the door so we can get some light. All right, so here I am. Hi. This first area is the bathroom. So here's the toilet seat area. There's a sink. And then here we have the shower. Mind you, I'm just getting in, so I figured I'd just like film first before unpacking. And the shower looks pretty big, and you can see there's a mirror in here. And I think I'm gonna pick up this shower head right here. It's a little down. And then, as you can see, there's a lot of space in here, and a lot of there's some shelves where you can just put some soap and stuff. And yeah, let's move on to this cool mirror right here. And then we're gonna go into the shoe closet. There's a lot of space to put shoes in, and there's a safe at the top. Yeah, a lot of shelves, and then there's a drawer. And then here's another closet next to the mirror, which has a lot of space in it as well. You can hang up your coats and stuff. I'm thinking of putting my suitcase in here. See, I already have my coat in here as well. And I've got 3 drawers. A lot of space, guys. I was not expecting that. And then the mirror itself opens up into a closet. It's the same as the other one. It's got the same amount of space. So, yeah. Also, it has 3 drawers. I'll show you what it looks like. The drawers also have a lot of room to put like jeans or any type of clothes in there or any extra storage. I think it's pretty cool because there's a mirror in front. And then we're going to move on to the bedroom. So this is like the first side. This is the left side of the room. That's the view. And then this is the right side of the room, which I decided to pick as my side. You can see I have my suitcase here, and then the bed comes with some drawers. You can open up and you see a lot of space in there. Another drawer. I'm glad that there's a lot of extra storage space that I can put my stuff in. And then that's the Wi-Fi. And again, this amazing view. I'm like on one of the high floors over here. So it's really nice. Just looking outside at this every day. And there's a hike trail out there that I want to try one day. It's great weather outside. Not too chilly. It's just cool enough. But yeah, that's what it looks like outside. And then that's the mattress here. Then we got my house shoes over here. And then that's concluding our little tour. So, yeah. And I'm just like getting a little backdrop of what the room looks like and trying to show you guys like the size and everything. And there's a little chair that I came with my desk. My suitcase is so heavy. Can't wait to unpack, you guys. So I just realized that I have 3 drawers in my desk, and I was just wondering best to how to utilize that space. And I also got a paper that I must fill out for the dorms to make sure that everything here is in good condition. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!